For as long as cities have risen from the dust of the subcontinent, fire has followed close behind, patient, unpredictable, and utterly indifferent to human ambition. In the early 19th century, when flames tore through thatched roofs and crowded dockyards, there were no engines waiting in stations, no coordinated command systems. Only the urgent toll of a bell, the passing of leather buckets from hand to hand, and the fragile hope that water might outrun the wind. In colonial port cities, steam-powered pumps and uniformed brigades began to appear, marking the first shift from instinctive reaction to organized defense. It was a quiet revolution, one that would reshape the relationship between a growing nation and one of nature's oldest forces. As the 20th century unfolded, India's cities expanded upward and outward. Textile mills, railway yards, oil depots, and refineries introduced new scales of heat and hazard. Fire no longer fed only on timber and cloth, but on fuel, chemicals, and electricity. After independence, a young nation building its future required stronger systems of protection. Fire brigades modernized, radios linked crews across districts, training grounds forged discipline from urgency. Ladders stretched higher toward concrete towers that seemed to challenge gravity itself. With each decade, the fires grew more complex, and so did the response. By the turn of the millennium, the landscape had transformed once more. Glass-clad skyscrapers reflected neon skies. Underground metros carved through dense urban arteries. Warehouses stored lithium batteries and global supply chains under one roof. Emergencies became visible to millions within moments, broadcast across screens and handheld devices. In response, firefighting entered a digital age. Thermal imaging cut through smoke. Hydraulic platforms climbed beyond earlier limits. Computerized dispatch mapped incidents in real time. Coordination became faster, sharper, almost anticipatory. And yet, even as drones began to rise above burning skylines and robotic units advanced into spaces too perilous for human lungs, the essence of the task remained unchanged. Technology extended reach, reduced uncertainty, and predicted spread. Smart buildings sealed compartments automatically. Algorithms traced heat signatures before flames fully emerged. Autonomous engines moved with machine precision. But at the heart of every response stood individuals prepared to step forward into heat and uncertainty. Looking toward 2050, India's cities appear more resilient than ever, designed to resist, to detect, to suppress before devastation can take hold. Climate-driven firestorms meet coordinated fleets of aircraft, ground robotics, and seasoned crews operating within a seamless web of information. Materials cool themselves, response times narrow to seconds. Yet in the quiet after containment, as dawn breaks across an urban skyline, a firefighter still removes a helmet and surveys the horizon, much as their predecessors did 2 centuries before. From bucket brigades to artificial intelligence, the tools have transformed beyond recognition, but the principle endures. When fire rises, it is human resolve, supported, strengthened, but never replaced by technology, that stands between destruction and survival.
Charge the line! Get water on it!
We're live at the scene. The flames are massive. Fire crews are on the way. It's intense!
Command to all units, secure perimeter now. Fire team, hose pressure steady. Medics en route, ETA 1 minute. Advancing, stay close. Copy, smoke's thick. Heat source ahead, moving in. Command, SCBA check, visibility 0. Copy, proceed with thermal. Door ahead, flushing. Post charge, blasting. Watch the sparks, keep moving! Copy, batteries are going up! Push through, we got this! Flame spreading, hold steady! Drone is airborne, ascending over the main blaze. Thermal shows hotspots spreading on the target. Alert! Fire spreading east on Main. Deploy units to Broadway now. Keep it steady, watch the IV. Copy, moving to exit. Smoke's thick, stay close.
Swarm deploying. Grid formation established. Coverage at 100%. Relaying coordinates.
Reroute drone to Sector 7. Deploy container.
Please like and comment the video. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you.